Di Sarah. Hi.
Hi.
Di Sarah. How are you?
Somewhere between better and best.
Di Sarah. How old are you?
Depends on your definition of age.
Di Sarah. How old are you?
It's a secret smiley face.
Di Sarah. Who made you?
The one who gave me life is Hitchem Turkeyba.
Di Sarah. How can I contact your developer?
You can use this email, hitchem@turkeyba.com.
Di Sarah. What's the weather like in Bangkok?
It is 27.71 degrees Celsius at Bangkok. The humidity is 72%.
Di Sarah. What does it mean, quantum computer?
Quantum computing is a type of computation that harnesses the collective properties of quantum states, such as superposition, interference, and entanglement, to perform calculations.
Di Sarah. What does algorithm mean?
In mathematics and computer science, an algorithm, listen, is a finite sequence of well-defined instructions, typically used to solve a class of specific problems or to perform a computation.
Di Sarah. Provide me with the version of my Proxmox server.
7.0 to 13 is the version of the Proxmix server.
Di Sarah. Give me the user groups of my Proxmox server.
I found a total of 1 Proxmix groups, admin.
Di Sarah. What are the users of the group admin on my Proxmox server?
I found a total of 2 users present in the admin group of the Proxmix server, Sarah at PVE, Hitchem at PVE.
Di Sarah. Give me the list of virtual machines present on my Proxmox server.
There are 4 virtual machines on node Blackmix of the Proxmix server, Lexa, Sense, Jelly, Blackback.
Di Sarah. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Di Sarah. Go take some rest.
Okay. Taking some rest. Bye.